Hello, I'm Will, and I just wanted to say Happy Father's Day to Grandad. Wish I was there to give you a big hug, but I'm pretty excited. Bye! Hold on, Will. Hi Grandad, look at me. I can crawl on the floor now. Happy Father's Day, and hope you have a good day. I'm going to get my duck. Quack, 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 quack. Bye! Hello. Where's my duck? Where's your duck? Where's it gone?
Just the top of his swede.
You talk to Mum. You say Happy Father's Day, Grandpa. Yeah. Yeah. And what else are you going to say to Granddad? Big hug? Big hug? Big hug for you, Papa? Big hug, Granddad? That's a colourful ball, isn't it? You throw the ball. Oh, where did the ball go? You go get it. You go get it, bub. Go get it. You can get it. Go. No, you just need to another toy. Clever ducky, isn't it? That's a clever ducky.
Hey Will,
Will,
what's occurring?
he's a big boy now. You say, look at me, Granddad, I'm such a big boy now. Will. Will.
Show us your swede.
You say, look at me, I'm such a big boy now. I'm such a big boy.
Ah. Ah.
Ah. You're making lots of noise.
Say goodbye, Will.
Bye.
Bye bye.
You're so excited, aren't you?
Put him in.
Come and get it. Come and get it. You want to go somewhere else? Baba, look at your duck. It's over here. Bubby. You just want Mummy's feet.
Quack. Hi Grandad. I'm playing with my duck. Happy Father's Day. I'm all tuckered out. Ada. 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 Like being a kid, isn't it? Oh.